All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with the venerable Ninja 400. This bike is I think, in my opinion, probably the best beginner bike you can buy. Anybody can ride this bike and learn how to ride on this bike. It's very easy to ride. It's very relaxed for that, for a beginner. Revs out to 12,000 RPMs, can be pushed a little bit further than that. With a little bit of a tuning, you can get a little bit more horsepower. But this bike is just good. It's a good bike. It's lightweight. The seat height is not incredibly tall. It's a bike that really can do. It can teach you to ride. It can teach you to ride better than you would normally. This bike will allow you to push it, but it's not going to bite you. It's forgiving. You're going to have the ability to let the bike forgive you for making a mistake, and that's great for a beginner bike. For a beginner rider, it's a great beginner bike. For an experienced rider, this bike is so good. It's so wonderful to ride. The vibrations are not that bad on this bike until you get into the ultra high RPMs, and even then they're not bad. This bike it just will do anything you ask, and it will just fly over into corners. It'll just enjoy every single second of it and come out the other side smiling. This is a great motorcycle. I gotta be honest, I'm very happy on this motorcycle. I'm definitely not taking those bumps on this bike. I'm not doing it. Yeah, this bike will do anything you want. This bike is so stable. This may be the most stable motorcycle you can ride. I can just take my hands off. If I had a throttle lock, I could sit back on this bike all day. But let's be honest, the Ninja 400 is great. And if you're looking at a beginner bike, you don't have to buy a brand new one. You can go find 2018s, 2019s, 2020, 2021, 2022s for a good price, and you can buy it, and you can literally ride this bike for years and just push it. You can push. Once you can push this bike to its limits, you can literally move up to just about anything. Because if you can push this bike to the limit, you're a good rider. until you can do that, you can literally just ride this bike. And if you never get there, you never get there. This bike has more than enough power to do whatever you need it to do. You can go interstate, you can do anything on this motorcycle that you want. Ladies and gentlemen, there we are with the Kawasaki Ninja 400. Appreciate you. See you in the next one.